Hello students, today let us discuss on degree of operating leverage. But before you watch this video, if you have not watched the previous video on operating leverage, so just pause the video here and go back and see the previous video on operating leverage, and then you come and see the degree of operating leverage, because then the concept will be more clear to you. So what is degree of operating leverage? The degree of operating leverage measures the degree of the impact of an operating leverage. So what does it mean? It means that how much is an operating leverage effective. So in the previous video I have told you that an operating leverage means that a firm would like to increase the fixed cost by using more advanced plant and machinery, so that the wastage is minimized and the operating efficiency is achieved, and by doing that it wants to reduce the variable cost. So this concept has already been talked about. So let us consider the first scenario. There is a firm which has a sales of 1 lakh unit and the selling price is rupees 8. So selling price into total unit of sales is equal to 8 lakh rupees. The variable cost is rupees 5. So per unit. So 5 into 1 lakh, because 1 lakh is the quantity of sale. So the total variable cost is 5 lakhs rupees. So we will deduct the variable cost from the total sales, that is 3 lakhs rupees. It is known as contribution. Then we will deduct the fixed cost. So fixed cost is 2,80,000. So these are assumed figures in the first case. 2,80,000. When we deduct 2,80,000 from 3 lakh, 20,000 is your EBIT, which is also your net profit. Now, the firm wants to install more advanced plant and machinery, and as I told you, if you install more advanced and more sophisticated plant and machinery, the fixed cost of course will increase. So we have increased the fixed cost from 2,80,000 to 4 lakhs. Now let us see the profit figures. There will be no change in the sales. The same firm, two different scenarios. In the first scenario, the firm is using old plant and machinery and the variable cost is high. In the next scenario, they are using more advanced plant and machinery and the variable cost has decreased to 3 rupees here. So let us see. There will be no change in the sales. Sales units are 1 lakh only. There is no control over the selling price. Selling price stands as 8 rupees. So 8 lakh rupees will be the sales less the variable cost. Now we have been able to control the variable cost by employing modern plant and machinery. So the variable cost has decreased to 3 rupees. Earlier it was 5 rupees. So less 3 lakhs, because 3 into 1 lakh is 3 lakhs. So the contribution is 5 lakhs rupees. Less fixed cost. Fixed cost has been increased because new plant and machinery has been introduced, 4 lakh rupees. Now our profit has increased to 1 lakh rupees. So this concept was already there in the video. So we have seen by employing the operating leverage, the profit has increased. But now I want to know how much the operating leverage is effective, or what is the degree of impact that has been laid by the operating leverage. So this is the formula for the degree of operating leverage. That means you are trying to calculate the magnitude of the impact. So you have to mug up this formula. So Q means quantity of sales into selling price. S is the selling price minus V is the variable cost. Again Q into S minus V minus the fixed cost. So we will insert all these values. The sales unit are 1 lakh rupees. 8 rupees is the selling price minus variable cost is 3 rupees divided by same minus the fixed cost. So it comes out to be 5 lakhs in the numerator and 1 lakh in the denominator. So it comes out to be 5 times. So now you see the degree of operating leverage is 5 times. That means if the figure of sales increase by 100%, the profit will increase by 500%. Now let us do it. Now suppose this time the sales has increased by 100%. So how much was the previous sale? It was 1 lakh rupees. So sales is equal to 2 lakh. Why 2 lakh? So long. Why 2 lakh? 2 lakh because we are increasing the sales by 100%. So sales is 2 lakhs now. It has increased by 100% from 1 lakh to 2 lakh into 8. So how much is the sales? It is 16 lakhs rupees. Less variable cost. How much is the variable cost? Variable cost is 3. So this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 3. Sorry, 2 lakhs into 3. So this equals to 6 lakhs rupees. So the contribution is 10 lakhs. Now there will be no change in the fixed costs, less fixed costs. Fixed cost is 4 lakhs rupees. What is our profit, EBIT? The profit is 6 lakhs. That means it has increased by 5 times. It was 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 5 is equal to 5 lakhs. So it has increased by 5 lakh. So you compare, earlier profit EBIT was 1 lakh and it has increased 5 times, that means 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. So this is equals to 6 lakhs. 5 times increase, you see. 5 times increase is there. So the degree of operating leverage basically tells us the magnitude of the impact of the operating leverage. I think the concept must be clear by now. Thank you so much.